Hello and welcome to my crib. Come on in and check it out. There's been a lot of updates since you guys last seen it. But yeah, take a gander.
As you can see, we are inside the all-new building for one of the many new attractions coming to Lake Hickory Haunts this year for our 13th year of here. We are in Nature's Revenge. So this is the beginning, the foundation, the building. We finished it, and we're working on the stucco. So all of these walls is 100% legitimate stucco, just like something you would see in an ancient building. Stay tuned, this attraction is going to be like nothing you've seen before.
It's all right, fellas. Yeah. Allie. Best year ever. And Cody back there.
All right, we got the stucco finished. Now it's time to get the props in. Wait until you see some of this stuff, and it's just beginning. Move this one behind the tree, that one behind this, and the purple one.
More trees.
This is one of many trees going to Nature's Revenge, but there's something special about this tree. This tree was made by Walt Disney World, and it was used at Epcot during one of their special events in the early 2000s. So this tree was made by Disney, now it's at Lake Hickory Haunts. Something cool we wanted to share with you guys.
We're building a scare box.
Like mossy overgrowth, then we can do like some of the little plants and bushes sitting in this, and do that all the way through here. Tree section, and right here is where it starts to turn into flowers up here. Whatever works best, whatever you draw. I know you do a good job. Make sure we're not going to be able to go out too far with it. So we've got building material. That up wall, the lattice here, platforms, back wall. Alright guys, you know if you've been through Lake Hickory Haunts in the last few years, we have a bungee or two throughout the haunt. Now we're adding another one in Nature's Revenge.
Bow down and then
Does that one have an end yet? No? But it can. Easy.
Today we're working on another surprise edition. Just wait, you're not ready. Come back on the next episode and we might reveal what we're building behind us. What?
She's vintage.
Yeah. You know what is a vintage addiction?
A vintage addiction?
Yeah, morphine. When's the last time you heard someone addicted to morphine?
It's been a minute.
Exactly.
need more plants, more foliage.
Let's put the
Foliage.
Oh, the beautiful sounds of nature.
David's reality show. Something special.
Yeah.